I'm Anna, one of your guides. Today we're going to show you how to make our Paschal candle. The Paschal candle is the big candle in the church by the baptismal font that is blessed at the Easter Vigil. You can buy the Paschal candle on our website at holyheroes.com.
First, soften a sheet of wax with a hairdryer. Then, wrap the wax around the wick of the candle. Continue to do this until you've wrapped all 3 sheets of wax around the wick. You may need to continue to use a hairdryer to soften the wax so that it can be easily rolled. Next, take the gold ribbon and wrap it around the candle about 2 inches from the bottom. Then take the Alpha Omega sticker and place it on your candle. Use a wet washcloth to thoroughly wet the back of the sticker and then carefully remove it. Do the same thing with the gemstone borders at the top and the bottom of the candle. Last, take the tacks and carefully press them into the candle along the shape of the cross. Then glue the gemstones on top of each tack.
You can light your candle on Easter Sunday and then light it throughout the whole entire Easter season. Bye!